What's up guys, so Samsung kicked off new year with the Galaxy S20 series and Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung's first clamshell foldable phone and most cheapest, most affordable folding phone in the world. And not only this, Samsung officially started selling this Z Flip from today and it's sold out in every market. It's sold out in whole Korea, it's sold out in whole US as well. Even Max Winback was really excited and planning to get all three color variants, didn't able to get one, just like me. But yeah, he will be able to get when the new stock came out, but I'm not without your support. So again, if someone can send me Galaxy Z Flip, then I'll be very thankful to you. Anyways, Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy S20 series all wrapped up. It's time to take a look at Galaxy Fold 2, the real successor to the original Fold. So first of all, we don't even know what Samsung is gonna call the real successor to the original Fold, because now the original Fold is also the part of Galaxy Z series, so it makes sense for Samsung to call the new phone plus tablet design foldable phone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Other than the name, Dutch-based publication has shared some initial information on the Galaxy Fold 2. So this publication has revealed that the Galaxy Fold 2 is codenamed as Winner 2 or Win 2. The original Galaxy Fold was codenamed as Winner. With the similar codename as predecessor model, there is a possibility that the Galaxy Fold 2 may arrive with a design that is similar to the original Galaxy Fold, meaning we won't be seeing any major difference, any breakthrough difference in the Galaxy Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is going to be the refined version of the original Fold that was failed a little bit. And we already know some of the breakthrough specs of the Galaxy Fold 2. In case you don't know, so South Korean publication had already confirmed that Galaxy Fold 2 will be having an 8-inch main display with Samsung's new ultra-thin foldable glass technology that Samsung used in the Z Flip as well, meaning the feel of that Fold 2 will also be similar as the Galaxy Z Flip. Other than that, I personally expect that Galaxy Fold 2 will be having a higher refresh rate display. But again, I'm not a lister, it's just my thought. I just hope it will be there, since all Galaxy S20 models having the same 120Hz display, and according to Iceverse, the Galaxy Note 20 family will also be rocking the 120Hz but more fine-tuned technology. So it makes sense for Samsung to use that higher refresh rate in the Fold 2 as well. And speaking of the front design, so with the original Fold we had this very small tiny display with huge bezels overall, but Samsung will improve this in the Galaxy Fold 2. So we won't be seeing this type of bezels in the Galaxy Fold. Instead, we will be seeing a proper bezel-less display like the Galaxy Z Flip. And Max Winback has already confirmed 108 megapixel camera will be there with Snapdragon 865 and a support for S Pen. The source also mentioned that there are two model numbers, Win 2 and Win 2 5G. So we already know Galaxy Fold 2 will also be available in 5G variant. Also, after the impact event of Galaxy S20, a reporter asked from Samsung employee that what is going to be the future of foldables. He specifically pointed out that when we get to see the actual Z series folding phone with tri-folding design. So an employee replied that Samsung is actually working on a real tri-folding foldable phone. He even mentioned that Samsung is currently having a tri-folding prototypes in their stores, but they are not for public right now. So this pretty much means we could get to see the actual tri-folding foldable phone in the year 2021, or at least at the end of the year 2021. So yeah, this is all about the Galaxy Fold 2, Galaxy Z Flip and an actual tri-folding folding phone from Samsung. And once again, I'll be very thankful if you guys can send me one Galaxy Z Flip. And yeah, that's pretty much it in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel for more coverage on the Galaxy Fold 2. And yeah, see you in the next one.
Thank you.